Welcome back. My name is Ash on behalf of G Ticket, Golden Ticket. So tonight, let's try to do some charting for you. So SPY, for me, it's mostly a day trade. So let's go back. So today is the 8th, 7. Yeah, last week was pretty, all right. Okay, so when I chart for day trade, I usually stick to 15 minutes because to me, it's like one of the easiest way to see the levels on the day trade. I will check also like 5 minutes and 1 hour just to confirm. But basically, okay, so let's go back a few days. Let's grab, yeah, just last week. Okay, there you go. So last week, you know, this here, that started the week before. Okay, that's a pretty good level because here, you know, it's resistance. So here it didn't quite hit that level. Okay, so there's two ways. Either you want to chart and put a second level, which I want to be careful because it did go, yeah, see this one here. Okay, let's do this. So you can either do like that. So draw another level, which is fine, or you can just draw a zone like I did with Pepsi, I believe. You know, when I did something like that, and I'm like, you know, that's the zone, which is less accurate, but at the end you get the same out of it. Because anyway, you have to be ready, right? You put your alert before, always before. Okay, so that's two significant levels, right? Then let's do the same at the bottom. At the bottom, so here on the October 1st, it was tested 3 times. Okay, so that's pretty significant. It got tested a few times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7. Okay, so again, this one very, very significant. Again, if you want, you can do this and put this one. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put an alert here, create an alert, right? And I would be like, get ready for puts, and then 426. So let's do, okay, 426.3. Why? So basically, and I keep it. If it does go as low as this level, definitely something's gonna happen. Like 99% of chance it's gonna drop down to, let's see here. Yeah, like a huge drop. Yeah, that's what. Let's see, 1 hour. Oh yeah, look at that. So this level is already below. Oh yeah, that's gonna drop big time. Okay. Probably this one around here. 422, right? Okay. Let's see this one. I need to, there we go. Yeah, okay. Okay, I put an alert here too. Boom. And this one is top level range. So again, that's typically something I would do. I would say like, oh, you know, it's top level for put range. And on the Discord, I would say, you know, get ready for SPY puts, and I would put 428 if it crosses 428.9. You know, usually I put something like that. If it crosses this, then puts or calls. But like I said the other day, if I call puts for 428.86, and during the day, you know, so you have your day, blah, 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 and it comes here, and there's kind of a consolidation, and then it bounces right away. If it bounces, you should get some calls. Why? Because, you know, the puts didn't go through, which is fine. Like, you know, it happens, but at least you're ready. You know, it's a pivot level. You have to be ready either way. So if it goes through, okay, fine, you're ready for your puts. But if it doesn't go through, well, get some calls right away because it's going to shoot up, right? Let's see. Okay, we're going to grab this one here, the low, obviously the high. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, there's a few. Okay. Okay, I'll keep this one just. Okay, and then the last would be, okay, there's a consolidation zone, so I'm just gonna put something like that because there's nothing really interesting. We do have a pivot point right here because, you know, it drops. There's a nice pivot. Oops. And then it gets tested here, it fails, it drops again. It's kind of messy. Okay, so I would still consider this one here. And if you look here, it actually supports the fact it's an important pivot because it happens right here, but the other way. So here it was support, going down, bounce, supports. Then, you know, it goes blah, 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 down. And then it hits the same and it becomes resistance. And it goes down. All right. So having that done, if you want to play SPY on Monday, yeah, the 15 minutes looks horrible. 1 hour, it's not good. No. 4 hours. Okay, so you get here. It doesn't really look good. Here, nothing is going down, that's going up. So this is the ADX at the bottom. Dimitri did a video about this. I highly recommend you to watch it. It's very, very useful because you can see the trend right away and you can actually kind of don't look at the black one, actually do it, but for now, don't look at it. You see right away here, you know, the red was about to cross the green, which is no bueno. It bounced. Why? Because we had this huge candle, but then tried again and it did cross. Okay, so that's a bearish indicator. RSI is going kind of down. Yeah, and the money flow is going down, and the MACD looks pretty bad. All right, so that said, if you go back to 15 minutes on Monday, just to play it safe, I'm gonna have one here, alert. So the only thing is this one here. Yeah, this guy. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Worst case, I can hedge with calls. 47 puts. Oh, okay, great. And then if it shoots up, okay, I forgot something very important. Oh, not this one. Oh, no. This one. Okay. Okay, that's good to know. All right. So yeah, I put an alert here. So 438 calls, and then I'll put a 438.5. So for me, that's a warning. It's just because the POC is at 438.5, which most likely is going to be strong resistance. Now let's grab this guy here, the levels. Oops. All right, boom. Okay, well, see this one here, 438.29. I mean, you know, it's resistance that I drew, and then the Fibonacci retracements confirm that's a level to watch. So definitely, I will open my calls right here. Okay, the puts, I might take a chance, maybe here, but you know, ideally, if you want to play it safe, wait for that level. But I mean, it all depends on the market. If it's super red, then you know, just go early. It's fine. And this one, yeah. So that would be, I would really pay attention on that level, and then hit this one for the first target, and then this one, second target. Last one or above would be for runners, but you know, we'll see. Okay, so that's for SPY.
Before you go, here are 3 free ways that we can help you become a more profitable trader. You can join our Discord channel. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest videos and like this video. Thanks everybody for watching. More videos to come. We usually do them once a week.